Out in the wild, the right gear makes all the difference. Today, we're exploring the best hunting coveralls designed for comfort, warmth, and protection, ensuring every hunt is more successful and every moment outdoors truly unforgettable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Guide Gear Hunting Coveralls. The Guide Gear Hunting Coveralls are a fantastic choice for hunters who refuse to let harsh weather ruin their time in the field. Designed by hunters for hunters, these coveralls provide everything you need for cold, wet, and miserable days outdoors. They're built with 150-gram Thinsulate insulation, which offers an excellent balance of warmth and comfort without adding unnecessary bulk, making them ideal for layering over other clothes. What really sets these coveralls apart is their waterproof and breathable membrane. You stay dry during rain, snow, and slushy conditions, but the material allows moisture from your body to escape, preventing overheating and discomfort. The ample storage is another highlight, featuring 2 snap closure patch pockets, 2 rear zip pockets, and 2 hidden zipper pockets, giving you plenty of secure space for hunting gear and essentials. The addition of a hood adds another layer of protection, shielding your head and neck from cold winds. Built with durability in mind, the rugged camo pattern ensures you stay concealed, while the tough construction can handle long days of stalking game in demanding environments. Whether you're sitting in a tree stand or trekking through dense woods, the Guide Gear Hunting Coveralls deliver on every front. They keep you warm, dry, silent, and undetected, making them an essential piece of gear for serious hunters. Beyond warmth and waterproofing, the Guide Gear Hunting Coveralls excel in overall practicality. Number 2. ArcticShield Hunting Coveralls. The ArcticShield hunting coveralls take cold weather hunting performance to another level with innovative retain heat retention technology, which captures and reflects up to 90% of your body heat back to you. This means you stay warm without feeling weighed down by bulky layers, a true game changer for hunters who need both warmth and mobility. These coveralls also feature X-System scent control technology, a crucial detail for staying undetected, as it reduces human scent output and only activates when needed to keep odors at bay. The waterproof, windproof, and breathable design ensures protection from snow, rain, and biting winds, while still letting your body breathe for all-day comfort. A standout feature is the versatile inner suspenders, which allow you to wear the coveralls open for ventilation during movement or fully zipped when the temperature plummets. For convenience, multiple zippered pockets are perfectly placed for essential hunting items like rangefinders, gloves, or calls. Built for those long, cold days in the field, these coveralls deliver not only warmth and weather protection, but also stealth, scent control, and flexibility, making them a premium choice for hunters who want to stay comfortable, undetected, and ready for action in extreme conditions. Number 3. Realtree Hunting Coveralls. The Realtree hunting coveralls are built for hunters who need heavy-duty warmth and toughness in one package. Made from durable duck fabric and packed with heavyweight insulation, these coveralls are perfect for brutal cold and demanding outdoor work. The rugged construction easily withstands harsh terrain, thorny brush, and repeated wear, making them a reliable companion for serious hunting trips. Flexibility isn't sacrificed for durability. Either the articulated elbows and knees provide excellent mobility, allowing you to crouch, climb, or stretch without restriction. With heavy-duty zippers, ample pockets, and side leg venting, these coveralls offer both convenience and breathability, preventing you from overheating during active hunts. The hidden knee barrier and reinforced stitching add even more durability for those long days kneeling or stalking prey in rough conditions. Of course, the iconic Realtree APX camo pattern is a standout feature, blending seamlessly into natural surroundings for top-tier concealment. These coveralls aren't just for hunting, they're also perfect for anyone who works or spends long hours in frigid, unforgiving environments. Warm, tough, and functional, the Realtree hunting coveralls are a dependable choice for hunters and outdoorsmen who demand both performance and protection in the wild. Heavy-duty duck fabric resists wear, thorns, and harsh terrain, while the APX camouflage keeps you invisible in the wild. Built-in flexibility from articulated elbows and knees ensures freedom of movement for active hunting tasks. Reinforced stitching and a hidden knee barrier add long-term durability, while heavy-duty zippers and ventilation options prevent overheating. These coveralls are built not only for hunters, but also for farmers, workers, or anyone needing dependable cold weather gear. They're built to last and perform. Number 4. TIDEWE Hunting Coveralls. The TIDEWE hunting coveralls are engineered for hunters who prioritize stealth, comfort, and versatility in all weather conditions. One of their biggest advantages is the silent design, achieved through ultra-quiet 170G mercerized velvet material and magnetic buckles that minimize noise when you move, perfect for staying unnoticed by animals. To add to your stealth, the Agent Active 360 odor protection built into the liner helps mask human scent, giving you an edge in the field. These coveralls don't just keep you hidden, they keep you dry and warm as well, thanks to a combination of water repellent, DWR, material, windproof construction, sealed seams, and 120G insulation in the lining. Functionality is another strong suit. With 8 pockets strategically placed across the jacket and bibs, you have room for gear, calls, gloves, or any small essentials you need close at hand. The user-friendly design includes adjustable cuffs, hem, hood, and foot openings, as well as detachable suspenders and a removable face mask, letting you customize your fit and protection. It even features a safety strap support for wearing a harness underneath, perfect for tree stand hunters. Whether you're after deer, turkey, elk, or waterfowl, the TIDEWE hunting coveralls are a versatile, quiet, and weatherproof solution for hunters who demand the best in the field. Waterproofing and windproofing ensure dry comfort even in storms, while 8 practical pockets keep all gear at hand. The adjustable cuffs, hood, and suspenders create a customizable fit, while the detachable face mask and safety strap feature enhance versatility for tree stand use. From deer hunting in the fall to waterfowl in the winter, these coveralls deliver reliable performance, keeping hunters warm, dry, and silent across multiple seasons and types of outdoor pursuits. Number 5. New View Hunting Coveralls. The New View Hunting Coveralls are all about blending in, staying comfortable, and moving silently through the wild. Featuring a patented camo design that mimics trees, leaves, and reeds, these coveralls help hunters disappear into natural surroundings, whether stalking deer in the forest or hunting ducks in wetlands. The jacket and pants are built from durable polyester with a fleece lining, offering warmth and comfort without sacrificing mobility. The water-resistant, windproof softshell protects you from the elements, while breathable mesh keeps you from overheating during active hunts. The fabric is not only tough, it's also whisper-quiet with ultra-silent material and noiseless zippers that keep your movements discreet. The jacket includes ventilation pit zips, adjustable cuffs, and a drawstring hem for a customized fit, plus 8 pockets for essentials. The lightweight pants add another 6 pockets and feature an elastic waist with belt loops for comfort, as well as zip-off bottoms for easy boot access. The slightly baggy fit leaves room for layering additional clothes in cold weather, making them suitable for early and mid-season hunts. Combining camouflage, comfort, and quiet performance, the New View hunting coveralls are an excellent choice for hunters who value stealth, warmth, and adaptability on every outing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.